Alright, welcome. So today we're going to be doing FunBox3, which is on VulnHub and also on Proving Grounds. I don't remember the exact name of Proving Grounds though. It's like FunBox Easy or something like that. Kids are behind me playing with Play-Doh. Hear some random noises. That's what that is. Oh, whatever. Alright, so we're going to start off. I do have it on VulnHub like right now. So if I do a sudo net discover, I should be able to discover the IP address there, or I can also do an nmap-tag-sn and then whatever network. So I'm in the 10.10.10.0 network. So it's a 255.255.255.0. So I see a 15 and 18. Now with nmap-tag-sn, it will show you your own IP address. So it will ping you also. So I know that I'm 15, but I also discovered 18. So we're going to go with that box. It's probably 18. All right. So let's go ahead and clear that out, and we'll start this guy off. We'll start with our nmap scan for 10.10.10.18. Alright, and we got port 80 and port 22 and 33060. So let's go ahead and tell that into 10.10.10.18. See if we can do some sort of banner grab here. 33060. Okay, no banner grab, alright. And we'll try with 22 also. See if we do a banner grab. And we do. We see OpenSSH 8.221. So probably not going to be able to do much in there. So let's start our Python 3 dir search since we know that port 80 is open, right? So go ahead and go to 18, and let's go ahead and start checking out that site also. Already starting to get some things back here. 10.10, there we go, 10.10.10.18, and we get an Apache default web page. All right. We are going to get a lot of stuff back in here, a lot of stuff. So this is more of like, you know, trying not to fall down those rabbit holes, things like that. Whenever I get a lot of stuff back, I always look at, okay, where can I upload something, where can I log into something, things like that. So let's go ahead and go to admin, and do I have default credentials, such as admin. Enter, we don't have default credentials there. Let's try root. No default credentials there, okay. We could fire up Burp Suite and intercept that request, see if we can change something from like, you know, like a 0 to 1, and then log us in like that. But we don't have much information here on what this is. We don't have much information here on any type of version numbers or anything like that. So, and we can't log in like right now. So right now, to me, this is kind of a dead end until I get more information on stuff, right? So let's go ahead and get back over here. We have dashboard.php. Okay, same thing. It looks like admin, nothing. All right, let's keep going. Icons profile.php. So we don't really got a lot of PHP stuff here. So probably going to be able to attack that. We have a robots.txt. We could go to that. Secret, all this different stuff. Let's go ahead and go to robots.txt. See if it's disallowing for anything. Robots.txt. Disallow Jim. Alright, so let's try Jim. And now we're here. We could try admin. Nothing like that. We could try, if we don't have any email addresses, then we could try. Click through here, see if we can find anything. Facilities, about, contact. So nothing in here. Alright. This guy's really changing to something that we can really attack up here, like ID equals, question marks, nothing like that. So we can only get so far in here, so I don't think there's going to be any local file inclusion or anything like that yet. Let's keep looking through. We have a secret. We can try that. Let's go ahead and try secret. Maybe there's an intermediate stuff for lack of imagination. Okay. We also have the recursive lookup still going out here. And we have a store. All right, let's try again the store. All right, let's try to log in here. We got admin login down here. We do have a store here. Now I have done a couple before where I've messed with stores and was able to get in like that. So let's try that. So let's try admin, and that one logged us in. All right, so now we're signed in, right? I do remember when I have done stores before, the publisher did have to be someone that they do allow as a publisher. So let me go ahead and grab that. And let's see if we can add a book. All right, ISBN 22 TAC 33 TAC 44 TAC 55 TAC 66. All right, that'll be our book ISBN. Title, hopefully it's going to be fun, you know. Author Ryan, and let's go ahead and we can upload something into here. So let's try to change out an image here. Let's make a directory for desktop VulnHub. And this one was called FunBox3, right? FunBox3. We'll CD into that. FunBox3. Let's go ahead and copy from my pen test monkey. Alright, PHP verse shell to here. And we'll go ahead and nano that PHP verse shell. My P address. I have config is 10.10.10.15. So let me go ahead and scroll down here and get to 10.10.10.15. And we're listening on port 4444. We're going to use a multi-handler again, I think. We're going to do that again. That was in the last video that I did. So we'll try that again. So we're getting somewhere. I'm going to go ahead and stop this for now. If we need to start back up again, we will. But we're going to go ahead and stop that and clear that out. And let's go ahead and MSF console. We'll use a multi-handler and catch it like that. Instead of using like a netcat listener, which I've done often also. So we'll go ahead and use that, use exploit multi-handler within Metasploit. Show options. We set our L host to 10.10.10.15. Our L port is 4444. Let's make sure that's correct. Cat our PHP verse shell. Scroll up over here, and yes, it is. And we can go ahead and run that. And that guy's going to wait for something to come back. Let's browse, and we'll go ahead and load in that file that I just made. So we go there. That no file selected is kind of getting in my way like right now. I think VulnHub's underneath there. Oh my gosh, is that it? All right, yes, it is. Yeah, I'm just going to cancel that. We're going to try it again. There we go. Oh, God. Okay. Thank you. Why does it keep giving me no file selected? All right, so I can see FunBox3 back here. I see PHP reverse shell right here. So we'll go ahead and upload that. All right, so hopefully that works. Description, say pawn. Price, $10. And then publisher, we'll say is O'Reilly Media. And like I said, I have done these before where I have to get into a bookstore and upload something. And if you don't put in the correct publisher, it won't take it. So just to save time, we go ahead and do that. And we'll add a new book. Alright, so we added that book, but we're not seeing it anywhere over here. Right? So let's go ahead and go back into the bookstore and see what these guys have. So these guys, yep, there's an ISBN number behind it. There's an ISBN like right there. So what if we were to go to 22 TAC 33445566? Alright, if the website brings us there, then we should have gotten a reverse shell. Book is pawned. Alright, and it looks like we did. Yep, we got our reverse shell. Awesome. Now we have that. We can do the same thing we did before, where we can do a search for shell to interpreter. Alright, use 0, show options, and we're going to set the session to 1. We'll go ahead and run that and see if we can get an interpreter session on here also. Because then we can just enumerate that much more, find that much more information, hopefully. And we do. Cool, so now we have an interpreter session. Join the sessions 2. And we can run post Linux. And let's see what we can run in here. Well, we can't do a hash dump yet because we're not root, right? We can try enum commands, enum configs, enum the network. That won't really do anything in here. But yeah, we can do a lot of different things here. Let's try enum. We're just kind of going above and beyond like right now. Enum commands. Post Linux, gather. Enum commands. Let's see if we can get anything like that. Then we can also try to enum the configs too. That didn't get anything, that's okay. Let's try configs. Alright, we did get some stuff. Alright, so quite a few configs actually. All these guys are right here. So we got Apache 2 config, ports config, my CNF, that might help us out. Alright, UFW, sys. And this is just more enumeration. This would be stuff that I'll look at later on, you know, depending on how much I want to work on this box, things like that. Alright, so let's go ahead and move, we'll copy, let me get down over here actually, let me get down to this guy, and we'll copy, yeah, I know bud, we'll copy, privilege escalation awesome script. What's up, sweetheart? Oh, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, so we'll copy that into here, okay? Enter, do an ls-LA, and we have our limpes, right? Let's go ahead and upload limpes. Or actually, that's cd into temp directory. So if I do a pwd, I should be in the temp directory now, which is the temp directory of that shell. It's not my temp directory. I'm in their temp directory. All right. So now I can upload limpes. And that should technically work. Of course, it did not. Okay. I had a problem with this the other day, too. Trying to remember how to upload limps or anything like that. Did I go to my directory? Okay, no. It might be in my directory. Let's go back into shell. Let's actually move CD into temp. Yeah, they don't have anything in there. I should have stuff in my temp though. Let me CD into temp. Alright, so I actually moved into my temp folders. That's my fault. So let me control Z, yes. Okay, so now I should be in temp folder there. Why is my local working directory? Alright, nope. I don't know why I did that. Alright, let's go ahead and CD back into privilege escalation, or actually desktop / VulnHub / FunBox3. Alright, this guy's not want to go anywhere for me, does he? Alright, we're just going to do it the old school way then. Let's go take a shell. Alright, we're already in the temp directory, right? And let's just go ahead and upload limps in there. So we'll do a Python 3, Python 3, Python tag M, simple HTTP server. We'll do a wget HTTP 10, what was it, 15, right? Yep, 10.10.10.15, port 8888, limps.sh. Okay, so we got that. Change it to make it executable, limps.sh, and let's go ahead and run that. So fast. Alright, let's see what we got in here so far. See if we got anything yet. Kind of move that over, make our lives a little bit easier here. Alright, nothing yet. Not seeing anything. Oh, there's something. Time. User bin time. Alright. So let's go ahead and stop this. Alright. Go back into shell. And we have user bin time, right? So I'm not currently connected to the internet. So let me go ahead and get it so you guys can see everything. My desktop also. So, hey, what's up, Al? So let me go ahead and do this. And now you guys can see everything. So you should be able to see my Google page up like right now, which you can. Alright, and we'll go back to, and we'll do a GTFO bins. And we'll go ahead and look for time. Alright, it's like Pink Floyd here. So I'm going to go with that one. That's the SUID bit. Alright. And let me go back into here. So I already copied that. And back into my box here. There we are. And let's CD in the user bin. And let's go ahead and run that time command that we just found. ID. And as you can see, I have an EUID now of root. So let's CD into home. LS stack LA. We have Tony. Let's go ahead and CD into Tony. We have a password.txt here. And we have gym admin and we have /store admin, okay. If gym admin has something, I wonder if we can see in var www HTML. I wonder if there's another flag somewhere. Or if it's only going to be that one flag. I mean, we are root now. We could just go to the root and just get it, but just trying to see if there's going to be another flag somewhere. We could always also search for flags. Let's go ahead and CD in the root and grab that one like real quick. Okay, we'll cat that root.flag. Alright, cool. And I think that is actually the only flag on here. Is that one like right there. So we'll CD back into var www. Okay, nothing there. CD HTML. And we could start looking through everything in here, stuff like that. And CD in gym. We did get some information for gym, so we might be able to go into there. We have a new text document like right here. I don't know what that is. Try to cat that. Oh, MySQL. Okay. MySQL user, MySQL password. So if we actually scroll back up, easiest way to figure out, we saw that they were running port 33060, which I would take it as a MySQL server because 3306 is MySQL. But another way to do this is linps will actually look for local addresses on the port. So 127.0.0.1, local loopback, right? And port 3306 tells us that we're running an SQL server. We have found MySQL over here. So we have a user and the password like right there. So this might be something we can do. Let's try to do that. So MySQL tag u, whatever that is, tag p, right? And the password looks like iPad 12345. Let's go ahead and try again there. Access denied. Maybe that was not it. Localhost using password, yes. So we weren't able to get in there, even though it's saying that that's the user and password. I'm wondering if maybe we could do a MySQL tag u with that user, and then tag p, and then tag 8 for host 10.10.10.18, and then I think I can just put 33060 behind it. I think I can do that. I don't quite remember. This is just kind of going above and beyond now. Wasn't able to connect to it. Let's type in MySQL and see how to put in a port. Can we run it on a different port? Username. Yep, okay. Port is capital P. Okay, so let's try that again. This time capital P for the port. And we try that password again. And it's not letting us in. Okay. Someone's not letting us in, like right there. Might be able to get into the MySQL server. I'd be surprised if you couldn't. But we might be able to get into something and find more information. Especially since we found that new text document like right there. And that would just give us, you know, once we're in there, that we can start to work through MySQL stuff. I've showed that in other ones, working through that. But we did get to root, and I feel pretty good about that. And then there's also an upload in here too, so we can see the upload. Guess you could always put something in here as like an upload or something like that, and have like a, you know, backdoor in, things like that. So there's quite a few different things you can do in this box. A lot of rabbit holes in here. Like I said, if you can't log in, if you don't have any credentials, anything like that, you're not finding anything, you're clicking through, there's not really people's names, there's not blog posts, there's not anything like that, keep looking through it. Keep trying admin, root, tor, you know, admin password, root password, all that stuff, and see if you're able to get into it like that. All right. I'm sure if we spent a lot more time on this MySQL server, we could probably get into it. But yeah, for video's sake, you know, we did this one for FunBox3. We got to root, and we were able to grab that root.txt flag. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Hope everything made sense, how it worked and everything. Got any questions, leave them down in the comments, and have a good one.